goes for funding. Tonight, we're talking about our investor fix and flip loan. We're going to be breaking down, explaining exactly how it works. We also offer the fix and rent program. We talked about that last week on our last live. So if you haven't watched that video, check that video. It's on our YouTube channel. You can check out our fix to rent program. Fix to rent is a very popular loan program. So basically, as the words sound, I mean, basically what you're doing is you're buying a property and then fixing it up and then refinancing to lease it out. It's called the fix to rent program. Very popular loan program, and we do it a lot. And so instead of selling the property, you're keeping it and refinancing with the BRRRR method and doing DSCR. Tonight, we're going to be talking about our fix and flip program. We're a direct private lender. We also do mortgage brokering and mortgage syndication. And what we're going to be discussing this evening is our fix and flip. So if you guys don't know what fix and flip is, basically, if you think about what you're buying a property that's distressed, okay, and you have to fix it up, right? So it's a distressed asset. It's got issues. Give you an example. It's worth, you buy it for $150,000, okay? It needs $50,000 of repair. But the ARV, the after repair value, after you fix it up, is worth $300,000. So you're creating value, you're creating equity, right? So you bought it for $150, it needs $50,000 of repair, and so you put $200,000 into it, but the after completed value is $300,000. So you have $100,000 of equity in the property. All right. Now, most banks will not make a loan on this type of property because it needs repairs and it's not habitable. That's where private lending, the fix and flip loan, comes in, and where it shines, because you don't have to, you don't need tax returns, you don't need a job. It doesn't have to be habitable. It can have foundation issues. It doesn't matter. Okay. But the cool thing is that you can get the money to buy the house. You don't have to make any payments during the rehab. You can even get 100% financing if you're a seasoned professional investor. It's usually anywhere from 0 to 10% down if you're a pro investor. And so basically, you're using the lender's money to profit, right? Because if, let's say, you buy this property and it's worth, $300,000, and you use, only $10,000 or $20,000 of your money, but you make $100,000 in profit, that's a 200% return. Where else can you go to get a 200% return, right? So that's the beauty of a fix and flip loan program, and it's available nationwide. And you don't have to live in the state that you're doing this in. Obviously, you have to have experience, you have to have good credit and some money, but that's it. And you can rinse and repeat this. You can close your LLC. It doesn't report to your personal credit. You can close fast. You don't have to have a job. You don't have to have employment. You don't have to have taxes or pay stubs or W-2s. So it's a beautiful program for you to build and scale wealth, and it's completely legitimate. And if you want to refinance, you can refinance a DSCR, or you can sell it and cash out and make the profit, right? And builders, investors, developers, they do this all over the country. It can be for single family, it can be for multifamily. So it's a beautiful loan program that's available. There is a minimum loan amount of $200,000. There's no maximum loan amount. So the ideal thing is you want to have at least a 650 or higher credit score. Prove that you've done at least 2 deals in the past, preferably more. Have 6 months reserves. Have a repair budget. Have a rendering if you have any modifications to the property. If it's raw land, have an entitlement, have permits if necessary. So, if you're a first-time flipper, it is a little bit more challenging. You usually have to put 20% down or partner up with a credit partner. So there's a lot of different ways on how to structure it. If you are a first-time flipper, just know that you're probably going to have to put 20% down if you've never done a flip deal before, regardless of your credit score, because you have to build tenure. Usually with us, if you're a first-time flipper, we'll start with 20% down. Second deal is 15% down. Third deal, 10% down. Fourth deal, 0 down. And that's because we want to build a relationship with you. And we do that, the more we get comfortable with you and we know what you're doing, we'll give you higher advance rates. So ultimately, you can get a line of credit and get to 100% financing situation. And you can do it on multifamily, you can do it on single family. I mean, you can do it on condos, townhomes. So there's a lot of opportunities here to scale your business. And you can do it on newly formed LLCs. You can do it on a blanket of properties. It doesn't have to just be one property. It could be several doors at one time. So there's a lot of things that we can do to help you to make this happen with our fix and flip loan program. And like I said, we close in your EIN. It does not report to your personal credit. So that's really the opportunity and how we can help you with our fix and flip loan. It's an awesome program that you can scale up your business. If you guys have any more questions about that, you can give us a call. You can text our office 832-431-6331. And you can also click on the links down below to get signed up to get enrolled. There's no cost for enrollment. There's no hard credit check. There's no contract. You don't have to put any money down to get pre-approved. Usually takes, usually a few days to get you pre-approved, and this program goes pretty quick, usually about 15 to 20 days to close. So if you have any questions about it, like I said, give us a call or text us. Some of the main things, like I said, you do want to have your LLC, your operating agreement ready, ideally a 650 or higher credit score, your track record completed, a resume or real estate bio completed, have the money in your bank, making sure that your bank account looks good, have your rehab budget ready. We have all the spreadsheets and templates for you to help you. If you do not have these, we'll get these over to you. But the thing is, you have to have your full package ready so you can get pre-approved quickly and close fast. If you don't have this stuff, you're going to run into issues, and it'll take forever to get you pre-approved, and it'll delay and extend the process. So make sure that you got all your documentation ready, so that way you can quickly close and not run into issues. If you're doing a ground-up construction, make sure you have your floor plans ready, your blueprints. Like I said, please reach out to us if we can help you in any way. Give us a call, text my office, 832-431-6331. You can get pre-approved anytime. Interest rates right now are starting around 9 to 10%. They're 1 to 2 year interest only loans with no prepayment penalty. You can have the payments built into the loan, so you don't have to make any payments during the rehab. So that's another beautiful thing. The closing costs are around anywhere from 2 to 4%. They get rolled into the loan. That's another great thing. So yeah, please reach out to us if we can help you with anything on these loan programs, the fix and flip. Give us a call, text my office, 832-431-6331. Don't forget about our loan partnership program to join if you want to get signed up to get paid for referrals with our loan partnership. Our top producer real estate university, if you want to join our campus to become a top producer and top closer, all the links are down below. And of course, if you want to be a part of our Amazon rewards program to get a free Amazon gift card, go to Angelo Christian Mortgage to give us a 5-star review, and we'll give you a free Amazon gift card with Angelo Christian. So I appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications. Give us a big thumbs up, like that bell. Please reach out to us. We appreciate all your help and support with the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching the live. We'll be back again next week. Take care. Peace out. Stay strong.